How do I make my wig look natural without bleaching the nuts? Is one of the most common questions we get asked. This is easier than you think. Here's how. This is the easiest, safest, and fastest way for you to tint your lace. With my method, you will get 100% results every single time. You can use makeup powder or foundation. Because I want you to have the best outcome, I'm going to show you both on 2 different wigs. We're going to start by spraying our closure. You're going to need it inside out. And as you can see, this closure wig has been cut already. You will need to use a good quality spray for this method. You can use Got To Be Glued, which I'm sure you know about. But I like to use Tresemme. I'm going to put that away and spray. So this is what you do. This is the technique. Just spray it on. Don't worry if it's wet, it's supposed to be wet. That's very wet. Can you see that? Okay, that's what you want. So you're going to spray it all around your wig. This stuff is so strong. Down the parting line as well. That's looking good. I'm going to just turn this over to me so I can see. Yeah, that looks very nice. Just tap it. You can see that it's still very wet. So now we need a dryer. As you can see, I was very generous with the spray that I used. So that's very important. Almost fell over. Okay, so let's go. So dry on cool air. And that's ready. For the third stage, you will need your makeup powder. You can use any powder, just as long as it's the same powder that you use for your foundation. And we're going to just apply that onto your closure, okay? I normally like to start from the back. Put that on. The reason why I use a very thin brush is simply because I do not want to miss any parts. I want every part of the lace to be covered by my foundation. I'm a perfectionist, as you can see. You see the difference with this side and this side. I'm going to turn this a bit this way. Okay, that's looking good. And that's it, you're done. So it looks like this. So now we're going to turn the wig over and I'm going to try it on. That's my favorite part. Let's see how this wig looks on me. This is our wigs. We only showcase our wigs on this channel. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box for you below. So now you need to apply some more powder onto the parting. Still using the same brush, you're gonna just start from the back. I like to start from the back because I just think it's easier for me to direct my way through. Just keep dabbing it on like this. Okay, you can see this. Okay, so now I'm gonna blend it in. I just get a little bit, and I just do it here as well. And that's it, all done. You've got your tinted lace, and that should take you less than 5 minutes to do, or way less, even 3-4 minutes, and it's done. You see how this looks natural, just as even or better than if you was to bleach your nuts, and it looks like your own skin. Literally looks like a real parting. This beauty, her name is Rhea. She's custom colored to Beeline Honey, and she's available on our website to purchase right away and to be shipped right away. This method that I'm going to show you, it is similar to the first one, but this one instead we're going to focus primarily just on the parting and a little on the hairline. And this is a double drawn hair, so let's get started. So we're going to spray. I'll use Got to Be Glued for this one, yeah? And you need a makeup sponge. We're gonna spray a little on. That's it. That's all you need. And we're gonna dab this onto your parting. The reason why I sprayed it on to the sponge is simply because if you do spray the spray directly onto your hair, onto the parting, it is going to go onto your hair, and I really don't want this hair to be hard because I love the fact that it's very flowy and it just looks really realistic that way. The one thing you know about me is you'll never catch me gelling down my baby hairs down. It's just not a sophisticated look for me, for anybody, I don't think, really. Okay, so just dab a little here. So by you doing this, you're going to secure your foundation in, so it's not going to what's that word? It's going to stay in place. So you're going to secure your foundation in, and it's going to stay in place. It's not going to rub off. That's what I was trying to say. Okay. So just take your time. Just take your time. And I always start from the back, as I said earlier. You should also make sure that the foundation that you use is the same foundation that you use on your skin, so that it's blending in nicely. I'm gonna put a little bit more here. This wig is available to purchase on our website if you're interested. It's a beautiful wig, obviously, you can see. It's gorgeous. Every time we always make a new wig, I always get obsessed with them. And I tell my staff, keep that one for me. And they're like, no boss, we can't. We have to sell it. I love wigs. Makes me so happy. Now this one is optional, but you can still go over it with your powder if you want, or you can leave it like this. It's totally up to you. I'm gonna just tidy it up using the same sponge but the opposite side, the side that doesn't have the spray on. I'm going to just tidy it up a little bit. Subscribe to our channel if you've not already done so for tips on how to make you more confident when wearing your wig. I don't really fuss over my hair. I'm not one of those people that would, you know, do crazy stuff. My life is way too busy. I'm running extremely busy, demanding company. I have no time to be fussing over nonsense. That's why I like my hair to always look natural, to always look real, so that when I go to my business meetings, I'll be respected when they meet me. So I'm gonna put the powder on just so you can see it, okay? So this is with the powder. I think it's a bit too much with the powder one, but you know, some people like to put powder on top of foundation. I don't get it. So if you purchase this wig, this is what you're going to get. It's going to be tinted for you. And that's it, your wig is ready to go. And this is a closure wig, obviously, because this is a closure tutorial. And this is how it looks. Watch this playlist here on more tips on how to make your wig look more natural. I will see you there.